Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import a Gohighlevel Snapshot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gohighlevel.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your saved snapshots and can manage your account settings. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Account Snapshots and click on it. This section is where all your saved snapshots are stored, making it easy to access and share templates or configurations you've created previously. Now browse through your list of snapshots and locate the specific one you want to import. Once you've found it, you'll notice 3 dots appear beside the snapshot name. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing that particular snapshot. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Share Snapshot. This option allows you to generate a link that can be used to import the snapshot into another account or sub-account, which is incredibly useful for duplicating setups across different workspaces or sharing templates with team members. Next, you'll see another drop-down menu appear on your screen. Click on this drop-down and select the option that says Get Permanent Link. This creates a link that won't expire, ensuring you can use it anytime without worrying about it becoming inactive after a certain period. Once you've selected that option, click the Get Link button. The system will now generate your permanent sharing link. This process usually takes just a moment, and you'll see the link appear on your screen ready to be copied. Now click the copy icon next to the generated link to copy it to your clipboard. This icon is typically represented by 2 overlapping squares and makes it easy to grab the link without having to manually select and copy the text. With your link copied, open a new tab in your browser and paste the link into the address bar. Press Enter to navigate to that URL. You'll need to wait a moment while the page loads and the snapshot details appear. During this time, the system is retrieving all the snapshot information and preparing it for import into your current account or workspace. Once the page finishes loading, you'll see a prompt asking if you want to import the snapshot. Click Yes, Import Now to confirm and begin the import process. The system will now transfer all the snapshot data, including funnels, workflows, templates, and settings into your account. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Gohighlevel Snapshot, allowing you to quickly replicate proven setups and save valuable time on configuration. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.